When it comes to home improvement projects, replacing old, inefficient windows with high-quality, energy-efficient models is one of the best investments you can make. Whether you're renovating an older home or simply upgrading your existing windows, Windows Austin offers a range of benefits that can enhance your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value. Austin, Texas, is known for its hot summers, mild winters, and occasional storms, making it essential for homeowners to choose windows that can stand up to the local climate while providing long-term benefits. Here's why choosing Windows Austin for your home replacement project is a smart decision. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Austin's weather can be challenging to manage, with scorching heat in the summer and cooler temperatures in the winter. Old windows, especially single-pane or poorly insulated models, are often to blame for inconsistent indoor temperatures, leading to high energy costs. They allow heat to enter during the summer and escape during the winter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Windows Austin offers energy-efficient solutions, such as double or triple pane windows with argon gas fills and low emissivity glass coatings. These modern windows reduce heat transfer by trapping air between the panes and reflecting harmful UV rays. This means that during the summer, they help keep your home cool by blocking excessive heat, and in the winter, they retain warmth inside. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can significantly reduce your monthly utility bills, improve comfort year-round, and minimize the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Improved home security. Your home's security is always a top priority, and replacing old windows with Windows Austin can help protect your home from potential intruders. Outdated windows with flimsy frames and weak locking mechanisms are more susceptible to break-ins. Modern windows from Windows Austin are built with stronger, reinforced frames and locking mechanisms that provide superior protection. Many of the windows offered by Windows Austin also come with impact-resistant glass, which makes it much harder for burglars or vandals to break into your home. Impact-resistant windows are also ideal for protecting your home during extreme weather conditions, such as storms or hurricanes, which are common in Austin. These windows not only make your home more secure but also offer peace of mind, knowing that your family and belongings are well protected. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. First impressions matter, and your windows play a significant role in your home's appearance. Old, worn-out windows can make your home look outdated and neglected, while new, modern windows can instantly improve its curb appeal and aesthetic value. Whether you choose sleek casement windows, expansive picture windows, or elegant double-hung windows, the right style can enhance your home's exterior and make it more inviting. In addition to improving the look of your home, upgrading to energy-efficient Windows Austin can increase the overall value of your property. Prospective buyers are often attracted to homes that feature modern, energy-efficient windows because they provide long-term savings on energy bills and enhance comfort. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, investing in high-quality windows will make your property more appealing and help you stand out in a competitive market. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Austin's urban areas can be noisy, with traffic, construction, and outdoor activities contributing to a high level of noise pollution. If you live in a busy area, external noise can easily infiltrate your home, disrupting your peace and quiet. One of the key benefits of Windows Austin is their ability to reduce outside noise, making your home a more tranquil and enjoyable place to live. Many of the windows offered by Windows Austin come with soundproofing features, such as double or triple glazing and laminated glass. These windows help block out unwanted noise from traffic, neighbors, or construction sites, allowing you to enjoy a quieter indoor environment. Whether you're trying to sleep, work, or relax, noise-reducing windows can make a significant difference in your overall comfort. Long-term durability and low maintenance. When investing in new windows, durability and low maintenance are essential. Old windows often require constant upkeep, such as repainting, resealing, or repairing broken frames. Windows Austin are built to last and require minimal maintenance. Made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, these windows are resistant to rot, fading, and warping, even in Austin's extreme temperatures. These materials are designed to withstand the elements, ensuring that your windows will continue to perform well for years without the need for frequent repairs or replacements. With new windows from Windows Austin, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your windows will provide reliable performance for the long haul with little upkeep. Environmental impact. In today's world, sustainability is becoming increasingly important. By choosing Windows Austin, you are not only improving your home's energy efficiency and comfort but also making a positive impact on the environment. Energy-efficient windows reduce your home's carbon footprint by decreasing energy consumption, which helps conserve natural resources and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a simple yet effective way to make your home more eco-friendly, while also lowering your utility bills and contributing to a greener planet. Conclusion. Windows Austin offers a wide range of benefits for homeowners looking to replace their windows. From improved energy efficiency and increased home security to enhanced curb appeal and reduced noise, these windows provide long-term comfort, savings, and durability. Whether you're upgrading for better performance, aesthetics, or sustainability, Windows Austin offers the ideal solution to meet your needs. Investing in high-quality windows is a smart decision that will pay off in both the short and long term, making your home more comfortable, secure, and valuable.